Hey guys, my name is Silla and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's YouTube video, I am going to be showing you how my brows went from this to this, which is how I shape my brows from when it's full and ratchet to making it look nicer and prepped for drawing my brows. So just chill and relax and I'll show you how to do that. So let's begin, guys. So this is my brows. See how bushy it is. I like to leave them bushy so I can have the shape I want. I'm using a spoolie, a razor blade, and also a brow blade to shape my brows. I'm first brushing my hair up so that I can pull out every strand of hair. Now to begin shaping, I'm brushing my brows downwards. I'm going to use my brow blade to take off any hair that surpasses my brow line, following the shape of my arc also. I'm doing this gently and cutting off every hair. I brush the hair upward and do the same thing. Cut out any hair above my brow line. Taking note of the arc. The arc is usually the highest point of your brows. Going in again and taking off some more. Bringing it down. Taking off some more. Now the brow blade doesn't pick out the hair. It cuts out the hair, but it doesn't pick out. Like, it's not good at picking out hair from an exact spot, so it can help in giving you that shape. Now I'm doing the same thing for the other side, taking out hair below and hair above it. Now I'm done with the first step. Now I'm going in with my razor blade, which is for the second step. Brushing my hair, my brow hair. And now I'm using the razor blade to cut out any hair, giving it a very sharp shape. Make sure to do this gently so as not to get yourself injured. Now I'm using the tip of my brow blade to pick out hairs that are not in place. Going in again. Brushing them out. I'm using the tip of my razor blade. I'm forming the shape of my brows. Taking out any hair that is not in shape. Do not forget to take note of your arc, the highest point of your brows. Now I'm brushing that. As you can see, the hair is beginning to get in shape. I'm still taking out some extra hair so I can get the shape I want. I'm going in with the other side and doing the same thing with the razor blade. Working on the arc. Using the tip of your blade. Brush up and take off any excess that's above the length of your brow. So I'm going to brush all of that, taking off some hair from the middle of my brows. Now that's all, guys. You can see this is so much better and it would make it easier for me to draw. Do not worry, if you made a mistake, you correct it with your brow pencil. So make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.